We are already in mid-December and winter is just around the corner. It's officially the end of the year, and that means today we are going to be talking about the winter fashion trends for this 2024-2025. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Sandra, welcome to the channel. I will be starting with the penny lane coat. Why are these called penny lane coats? Penny Lane is a character from Cameron Crowe's 20,000s movie. The movie was called Almost Famous, and she was a free spirit, and her iconic look was this legendary fur coat, always worn with confidence. So the penny lane is a type of coat that is funky, definitely vintage looking and a little bit more out there, which is kind of the opposite of quiet luxury aesthetic that we have been seeing lately. So let's see how people will embrace this trend, but for me is a no. But of course, if you like this type of coats, you can definitely find a coat like this second hand, and this way you will not be investing a lot of money in the trend. The 90s ski. 90s ski wear is getting incredibly popular. We are seeing ski suits with colors that resembles the 90s, like Princess Diana herself. This trend is characterized by really tight suits, some with flared pants and really bulky puffy jackets. Moon boots and hugs. Somewhat connected with this ski wear trend, we are definitely going to see a lot of moon boots. But this season we are going to see these more colorful moon boots in green, in pink, in red. Hugs are also a timeless type of shoe that is always going to come back for winter. For me, hugs can be especially great on weekends, every time we want to run an errand. These are very casual boots, specifically made for casual outfits, and they are incredibly comfortable. Balaclava. Let's finish these ski-inspired trends with balaclavas that are going to be everywhere in winter. We are now seeing it in the streets of every city. Women are wearing balaclavas with their long wool coats to stay warm and toasty. Definitely they can be functional for cold winters. If you live in a place where you have very harsh cold winters, these would be a great addition to your wardrobe. And they can definitely add an extra element to the outfits. They come in different colors, some with a string that can be tied in a kind of a bow, some with a zip. Plenty of options to choose if you are going to embrace this trend. Another fashion trend that is kind of a classic already is animal print. But this winter we are going to see more of a cowhide animal print. The cow print is going to be huge and is here to stay. We are seeing this cow print in long jackets, short jackets, shoes, jeans, belts, and inclusively in bags. Again, not my favorite, sorry. Now we are moving on to my favorite winter fashion trends, the scarf coat. Last year we already have seen it a little bit here and there, and especially after Totem's coat became the favorite coat of the hit girls. But this year we are going to see this kind of coats everywhere, and I see this type of coats on every single store from every single brand. They look super chic, they are very elegant with this special incorporated scarf, kind of an extra layer, but I personally prefer when these coats have the option of removing the scarf. Sherpa and shearling. Another kind of jackets and coats that went viral last year, and this year it will continue to be a huge trend. This season they came in different lengths, from the cropped jacket to the mid-length, and I've also seen that these Sherpa coats are coming out in a longer version, which might also become quite popular and trendy this year. We'll see what happens. And of course the Sherpa and shearling not only for coats and jackets, but also in bags, in shoes and boots, and other accessories like hats and gloves. If you like this trend in a bag, brands like Demelier, YSL, Miu Miu and many other brands have included this trend in their latest winter collections. A long wool coat will always be a timeless piece. These kind of coats will never be out of style. They will be in your wardrobe forever if you invest in a good quality coat. What I notice is people are becoming more selective and opting for coats made in higher quality fabrics. So depending on your budget, what I suggest is, if possible, go below 30% of synthetic fibers like acrylic, polyester, and choose a minimum of 70 or above wool or cashmere. This winter we want very long coats. Super long coats, almost touching the floor coats. This trend has already started last winter, but this here it will become huge and it will be seen everywhere. A long coat, almost ankle length, will be much more flattering and you will look much more taller. Capes. Again, this is a trend that comes and goes. Since 2018, capes were a huge trend. They've been since slowly arriving at our wardrobes, and this winter they will be everywhere in different shapes, different sizes, patterns, colors and also fabrics. They are very functional in my opinion. They are great to layer over very thick, oversized, chunky sweaters. They will keep you comfortable and very warm. In my opinion, a cape can make for these outfits that are very chic and very elegant. Fair Isle sweaters. While the knitting pattern is mostly associated with holiday and Christmas, indeed this is a technique originated in Fair Isle, a remote island in the north of Scotland. But what makes this geometric motif so unique is its intricate multicolored design. These kind of sweaters are getting so trendy. These will be huge this winter. Of course, again, a classic pattern, a classic sweater. Every winter is coming back. This is not going to be everyone's favorite, but personally I think that these sweaters are super pretty and especially perfect for the holiday season. Faux fur. Faux fur in long coats, as seen in the mob aesthetic from last year, remember? This was quite a big trend and this here is back, and I think it's going to be huge, even bigger than last year. Everyone is looking for a faux fur coat to add into their collection, especially now that we are on the holidays and we are preparing our outfits for the festive season, for Christmas and for New Year's Eve. But faux fur will not be exclusively seen on coats. We are going to see hats, bags, shoes, even skirts in faux fur. And also accessories, earrings, everything in faux fur. This is a gorgeous aesthetic. The leather trench coat. While leather jackets are timeless, they are always coming in every winter collection, the leather trench coat that we are seeing this winter is definitely a trendy piece. And I'm starting to see it a lot in stores, in many different colors, mostly in burgundy, different shades of brown, from camel to dark chocolate brown, and of course definitely in black. Leather gloves. Leather gloves, or the so-called Bottega gloves, these long leather gloves are everywhere, and if styled in the right way, they can definitely be very elegant and classy, and of course add this extra element to our outfits. Reading glasses. If you have not seen this type of reading glasses that Miu Miu released, I think this summer, the Miu Miu glasses are these oval shaped glasses. These will be a huge trend. These are, in my opinion, a really beautiful shape of glasses. Luckily, many brands are releasing similar versions. Big bags. Big, oversized bags, either structured or more slouchy, are a huge trend. We see less and less people wearing small bags. Everyone is embracing these new big bags. It all started with this bag from the Row, and now this bag is even more popular than the Birkin bag. Luckily, we don't have to break the bank to embrace this trend. Other brands are coming out with a similar version of this bag. We are seeing in many colors, but especially in dark chocolate brown, burgundy and black. Another trendy bag that is not my favorite is the Balenciaga City bag. It's this vintage design, so you will find it easily in every second-hand store. I think it will be a short trend. Suede. Suede was huge for fall, and it will continue to be a huge trend for winter. And in winter we are going to see especially the long trench coat in suede, in either camel, light beige or a dark rich chocolate brown as well. They are really beautiful, one of my favorite fashion trends of this year. But suede is not exclusively seen in jackets and coats. We are seeing in bags, shoes, boots. In fact, suede bags and shoes, they are here in every fall and winter. They will always be. They are having again this spotlight moment this winter. Now I'm going to talk about the hairstyle, and then we are moving on to colors and everything related to colors. The French twist hair is a hairstyle that actually in Portugal in the 50s and 60s it began to be very popular, and it is called a banana. So to do these messy buns, this messy French twist, you need these clips that you can secure your hair. But if you don't have the clips, you can just do the banana shape, so the twist in your hair, and then secure it with just a claw. It's just as simple. And finally, colors and everything related to them. In terms of color, burgundy is indeed the greatest color for fall and winter this year. We actually started to see this color last year. This winter we are going to see more of this cherry red, these brownish reds. I love how burgundy looks with grey, with light blue, with brown. Such amazing combos. It will make for a classic and very elegant outfit. This winter we are going to also see this color in monochromatic outfits. So you have shoes, you have boots, you have bags, hair accessories, you have scarves, everything in burgundy. Navy blue is another classic color. Navy is going to be super trendy and is definitely going to be the new black. But this winter we are going to see more of this dark sapphire blue, a much richer shade of blue that can be easily differentiated from black. Brown, a rich dark brown, even though it's a timeless color, this here is going to be very trendy. Also, dark brown looks incredibly beautiful either with navy blue and with burgundy. We are going to see coats, jackets, knits, bags, of course, shoes and boots. We are going to see everything in brown. Green. Green is also another color that is really on trend. We are seeing a lot of street style outfits in green, especially olive green, but also other shades of green, from forest green to more lighter shades of green to sea green. Green is also everywhere, and again, green paired with chocolate brown, with burgundy and with navy blue will be perfect combos. Monochromatic outfits. Connected to colors we have the monochromatic outfits, and we are seeing an increase in monochromatic outfits everywhere. And now that we know that these four colors are going to be present, it will be very easy for us to recreate monochromatic outfits in burgundy, in brown, in green and also in navy blue. I've been wearing monochromatic outfits since forever, and it's indeed very easy to pull off. You don't need to wear pieces in the exact same shades to build a monochromatic outfit. Choose the pieces you already have in your wardrobes in the same color, even if they are different shades, as this will make for an even interesting outfit than if you were wearing all in the same shade. Going monochromatic is one of the easiest ways to build these more classic and very elegant outfits. Dark indigo denim will be the trendiest wash for this season. And I'm seeing a lot of people pull off a navy monochromatic outfit with a pair of indigo denim jeans. And I think it looks great. Colored tights, especially burgundy tights, are huge since last year. Burgundy tights are going to be perfect to complete our outfits, also to create a monochromatic outfits. But this winter we are going to see colored tights in almost every color. Light pink tights, light blue, yellow tights, even white opaque tights are going to be trendy this winter. And we are seeing a lot of people bringing this pop of color to their outfits through their tights, which I think is really beautiful and is definitely one of my favorite fashion trends for this winter. And that was it. That was the last trend that I wanted to talk about. Let me know in the comment section below which one was your favorite. And let me know if you would like a video in which I recreate these fashion trends, at least my favorite fashion trends, with pieces of in my wardrobe. Would you like it? Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye bye!